linkages within the community. So in these times of enormous social problems and limited funding resources, many agencies within the community have found it productive to form linkages. So when we say linkages is networking or the relationship between the schools and the community. So many of the funding resources, yung mga NGOs, yung mga yung nagpa-fund sa schools is mas they have found na mas productive na magkaroon ng community linkages or the relationship between the schools and the community para masuportahan nila and magkaroon ng benefit both the outside and inside of the schools or in the community. So the public and private funding, collaboration, and interdisciplinary community concerns. So for examples, yung private and public schools, nagkaroon ng collaboration through library system may work with schools and childcare centers and health departments that run child health clinics effort to get parents involved in reading to young children. So the public and private schools is nag-collaborate sila through the library system. So for example, yung mga library is hindi lang nagagamit sa mga public and public schools. So which is nagagamit din sila ng mga child care or yung mga nasa mga elementary schools lang. So hindi lang sa mga sa mga students na nasa public and private schools. 'Di ba? So yung mga daycare is hindi pa sila nalalagay sa mga sa schools. Yung ibang daycare is nasa labas pa sila or nasa community lang. So, in that way, kung magkakaroon ng communication or linkages within the community and the schools is magkakaroon sila ng both benefit. So, for example, reading to young children. So, yung parents is makakaread din sila kasama ang kanilang anak kapag nagkaroon ng communication or relationship between the community and the schools. So high school, Planned Parenthood departments, and other civic organizations may unite their efforts and combat adolescents. So this means that different organizations like high schools, or the Planned Parenthood and health departments and others, community groups, often work together to tackle the issue like the adolescent pregnancy or yung early pregnancy. Similarly, in all public education, public education and health and the child welfare system. So they collaborate to help the low-income children and families for providing support and resources to improve their well-being. So, di ba, minsan nagkakaroon tayo ng communication, not a communication, but a program na nakakasali yung both public and private schools and also the community sa mga organization na kinakandak natin sa ating community. So, for example, is yung early pregnancy is hindi lang sa community ginaganap ito. It also because and it also ginaganap din ito sa schools and outside the schools. The next one. So in this bullet, that means the United Way success by 3 programs, which is the community-based initiative that brings together the businesses, government, service providers, educators, families, and advocates. So, to support the young children. So, ang goal nito is para ma-ensure na yung mga children are born healthy, stay healthy, and prepared for school by the age of the 6. So, ine-ensure din nila na dapat yung mga children by 6 is nakakapasok na sila sa schools. So, yan na yung grade 1. So, this program, which started locally, has grown to include over 350 programs in the US and Canada. So working together to improve the lives of young children and help them succeed. So itong linkages din na community lang is sa US lang ito. Wala ito sa Philippines. So in this paragraph, this means that when different organizations or groups work together, they improve their efforts and avoid duplicating the services. Also, the making of the use of the resources more efficient. Mas nagagamit yung resources. Yes, and also this partnership also help raise awareness of both the community issues and nagkakaroon ng awareness in both community and the schools, and also as people from different backgrounds. Yes, such as the citizens, the professionals, and the organizations come together to share ideas and solution for the common problem. So, hindi lang one group or one NGOs, mga one sectors lang yung kasali dito, but in different backgrounds, different tribes, or different religions is kasali. So in her important book, an effort to strengthen families and communities. So may ginawang important book para mas strengthen yung families and communities collaboration. See, by Lisbeth Score in 1997. So, para ma-describe and ma-elaborate kung yung mga collaborative programs sa community and the school. So, the number one is the successful programs are comprehensive, flexible, responsible, and preserving. That means the programs that cover all aspects of need, adapt to changing circumstances, and continue despite the challenges. The number two is the successful programs see children in the context of their family. So programs that recognize the importance of the family environment and the involvement in supporting the child's development. So ini-involve din dito yung family, not only the child's. The next one is the successful programs deal with families as part of neighborhood and the communities. So that means programs view families in the broader context of their neighborhood and to ensure the community involvement in supporting the families. Number four is successful programs have long-term preventive orientation, have a clear mission, and to continue evolve over time. So which means yung program is nakafocus sa long-term solutions and to prevent future issues and have a clear goal while evolving to meet changing needs. So, dapat transparent. So, the number five is successful programs are well managed by competent and committed individuals with clearly identifiable skills. So, that means successful programs are led by the skilled persons and also dedicated individuals who can effectively manage and guide the program's activities. So, dapat well-managed din yung program. Hinahawakan ito ng honest and loyal na leader. So, the last one is the staffs of successful programs are trained and supported to provide high quality and responsive services. So which means that dapat yung mga staff is na-train sila, nagkaroon sila ng mga seminars, mga workshop para ma-provide din yung high quality and ma-meet din yung standard na hinahanap. So the last one is the successful programs operate in settings that encourage practitioners to build strong relationships based on mutual trust and respect by Score 1997. So this means the successful programs create environment where staff and participants build positive and trusting relationship, helping to ensure the effective collaboration and service delivery both of them. So, yun lang. Thank you!